Babe, that was so much louder than I thought.
What are you just...
Babe.
What? I can't pull my fucking shoulder out.
Actually fucking funny.
Ow. I need to ice my shoulder.
You look
fucking
crazy. Why does it look so funny?
What is that?
You know, it's actually organic baby powder, so you're good to go, okay? You're fine.
I need ice. My shoulder's all
Babe, that was so funny.
Leave me alone.
I don't know why you look so funny with the fucking baby powder. It's like
no,
killing
seriously,
me.
enough. Stop with the... Stop waking me fucking up for pranks, dude. Come on.
Babe, how else am I gonna
Stop.
get you? Babe, you're about to die.
Oh, my shoulder's fucked up.
I'm sorry. Not really. It's organic. You're good. You're good to go. There's no talc.
Right,
please give this video a thumbs up, guys. If you like me, Team Jess.
Go in the other room to do that. Stop.
Team Jess, Avi, we love you
Stop.
guys. Even though Carson's being rude as fuck. Love you guys. Have a good day.